Hi everyone, welcome back to another step-by-step lesson. This is Kim and I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to be talking about some Microsoft Outlook tips and tricks. There's a lot to Outlook. It's an email application that lets you read your email, but it does so much more. But I wanted to just show you some things today that you might not be aware of. There's a hidden tab that you can't see right now called the Developer tab, which gives you some really cool features. So I'm going to show you how to add it. Over in this area here where there's no information, right mouse click and click on Customize the ribbon. And right down here is Developer. So you just click it and click OK. And now you'll see you have a Developer tab. This lets you create macros and give you some more add-ins. You can make custom forms and things like that. So it's a kind of a cool advanced feature. I'm not going to go into it today. I just wanted to show you how to get that tab. But yeah. So next thing I want to show you is how to mark a message as read when you delete them. So sometimes it doesn't. Like if I just deleted this right now and I haven't read it, then it'll go into my interesting. Anyways, it'll go into my trash and not be read because I just deleted it. So you're gonna have all these unread messages in your trash. So there's a way to edit this so that anything you delete will automatically be marked as read, so it won't show as an unread message. To do that, you go into File, down here to Options, and then Mail. Click right here, and then it's down here. Other, so it's right down here, the bottom Other, and so it's right here, mark messages as read when deleted, and then you just click OK. So then now let's go back to our inbox. Let's just delete this guy. Now if we go into our trash, it marked it as read, so it's not sitting there as an unread message. So that's pretty helpful. There's another kind of thing I wanted to show you in here in the settings area. So go back to File, Options, and General. Okay, we're going to personalize our the color of our Outlook. So I have it at colorful. You can make dark gray, black, or white. So if you choose black, it's kind of cool. So click OK. Woo! So now it's got the higher. Oh, it says introducing dark mode. In black theme, you can now read your messages with the dark background. Click this button to switch back to reading with a light background. So you can just go back and forth. So that's kind of handy, especially at night. I find it nice to have the dark background with the light text. During the day, I don't know that it even matters, but I'm going to go set it back. So File, Options. But I just wanted to show you that that was there. I kind of like the colorful. I'm more of a colorful person. I like color. I like the black also, but I don't know. To me, during the day, the black with the white text is hard to read. Okay, so now I'm going to show you, this is kind of cool. It's called Quick Steps. It's been there for a while, but I don't know that anybody uses it. So these are the quick steps here. You can open this little icon at the bottom. It opens it up into a window so you can see it better. So you can add new ones, but basically this quick step will add it to your personal file and mark it as read. There's no shortcut key, so it kind of tells you what it'll do. This will forward to a specific person who you choose as your manager. This will send mail to your whole team. You'd have to create your team, obviously. And this one will reply and delete the message. So if you just want to reply to something and delete it, then you just use your quick step. I'll show you how to do that real fast. Yeah, we'll do that first, and then I'll make a new one. Okay, so we're going to go to our inbox. Here, let's reply to me. This is one I did myself. So open that. We're going to go to our quick steps, which are right here in the middle. I'm going to reply and delete. So I'm going to reply, thanks, send, and then it deletes the email. So signature, there it is. It went into the trash. Okay, so that's cool. Let's make a new one. Open this back up, new, and it gives you some options. So you could move to a folder, flag and move, a new email to a certain person, forward to a certain person, new meeting with a certain person, or you can do custom and pick all your own options of what you want to have happen. Let's say we want to, what do we want to do? Let's reply all, and then we want to add another action. Let's say we want to reply all and then move to a folder. I don't have any folders set up. We'll just send it to personal, whatever. Okay. Okay. Oh, so we should put a little tip here. Let's call this I don't know, just so I remember what it is. So it's going to reply all and put it in personal. So then we click OK. So now we're going to open up this one that I did to myself. I just called it reply all. Okay. So there we go. Reply all, send. And then okay, so that replied all and went into personal. So that's this one here. We didn't rename it, but if you see where down here it says reply all personal. Okay, so anyways, that's fun. Here's the next thing I wanted to show you. Right here is called read aloud. So it's going to read this email to me.
From Kim S. step-by-step-lessons2@gmail.com.
You can listen to the whole thing,
Sent.
but we don't need
November
to.
26th.
So that's read aloud. That's kind of cool. Another thing I wanted to show you is how to create a rule. Let's use this constant contact. So if you have one highlighted, it will use the rule. It'll make a rule for that email, I guess is how you can, the best way to say it. Okay, so to make a rule, you have to highlight the email. We're going to do it for this particular email here. So you go up to rules, and then we're going to create a rule. So this allows you to choose what you want to do with anything that comes from Constant Contact. So when I get an email from Constant Contact, and then I could say what I want to do. So let's say I want to move it to a folder. I'll move it to, where do I want to move it to? I should have made a folder first, huh? Let's see. Do I have any folders? Here, let's move it to the trash. So anything I get from Constant Contact is going to go directly in the trash. So I won't ever look at them. You can make a noise. You can display new item alert in the window, but I just want to I'm not going to ever read them. So I'm just going to move them to the trash. And advanced options gives you even more. So you could, anything from them, I can mark more than one. That's sent to me, that where my name is in the CC box, whatever. You can multiple of these. Use as a form name, whatever they do. Next. I have to select. Oh, let's not do that. I have to have a name there. Okay. Sent to me. Okay. So let's do it now. I don't want to go through more steps. Okay. So I'm going to move it to the specified folder and delete it. How about that? So it's going to go into the trash folder and delete it in the trash folder. Okay. So then next, we can add more things. I'm not going to do anything else, but that's fine. So we'll just hit finish. So now anything in the future that comes from them is going to go right into the trash and be deleted. Perfect. So that's a rule. Rules are very useful. If you want them, you can create from scratch, or you can use their built-in rules. I guess that's what I want to show you. But there's a lot in here. So you can manage the alerts. You can change a different rule. So like if, let's say, sent only to me, I want to get rid of that. Okay, whatever. So you can change the rule at any time. You can delete the rule altogether and nothing will happen to the mail anymore. But rules will help clean up your inbox as things come in. The only other thing I wanted to show you today was that you can customize your view the way, so if you go here on the View tab, you can see that these are all the things that are included right now in my view. So like if I want to show if it has attachments, that's what that is. If it's important. Over here is if it's flagged. So you can change all those. So you can drag these little, like if it's more important to you to see the size, or if you don't want as much room for the subject, you just drag it around. So that's easy. If you want to sort by certain things, I'm sure that you already know this, but like if you want to sort, here, click on one and click on the from, and it'll group all the others together. So they'll be grouped alphabetically by sender in little groups. So that's kind of nice. This is reverse, so W's are first. So this little arrow will go back and forth. It's normally by received. So you normally have the newest email on the top. Well, let's say you want the oldest on the top. Click the little arrow, and then you'll have your oldest one at the top, or back to the newest one. So anyways, what I wanted to show you is you could get rid of some of these columns if you don't really want them. So you could like right mouse click and remove this column. Let's say if I don't want that column anymore. And so then that column's gone. So you could clean it up. So if there's something you don't use, like this one here, let's remove that column. There. So it just makes it cleaned up a little bit. It's not riveting. There's nothing terribly exciting about changing all this. I just wanted to show you that you could change it. Excuse me. You could also go here and manage your views. So we could save our current view. Copy of can be used on. Okay, all. I'll just do it on all. Anyways, that's all for the tips for today. I hope that gave you something new to try and that it made sense. And anyways, I will be doing more Outlook tips and tricks, but this is a good list for today. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time.